Hello, today I'm going to guide you through the Kahoot quiz I made on the greenhouse effect. So first, you can register with a range of devices by going to kahoot.it and putting the game code in and then putting your username in. So I'm doing this on my phone and I'm putting my nickname in and it's showing up on the screen. I'm ready to start and I'll kind of show you this whole quiz. So it'll show the question and then it'll have a picture and then have four different options. And so it'll give me 20 seconds to answer this question. And so I'll look at the answers and pick the one I think makes sense. So here it shows you uh, what question is correct with the check mark. It also shows you the distribution of answers. And then there's a scoreboard that shows who's winning. Okay, in this case, I got this question wrong, and it shows that it shows the right answer, and it shows kind of the distribution. So I graded 10 questions, um, and they're all related to the greenhouse effect. This is interesting because actually makes the user look at the picture, and from that picture, make an answer. So that's just a short overview of my Kahoot quiz.